tutorial for this flower granny square that I worked at this morning. You will need 2 contrasting colours, more if you want to, a 4.5mm hook and some scissors. You're going to start off with making a magic ring, whichever technique you use to make a magic ring, and then you're going to chain 3. The chain 3 always starts as your first double crochet in any of the rounds I do. Then you want to add another 11 double crochet into the middle of the magic ring. So you'll end up with 12 in total with your starting chain. After you've done your 12 total, close up your magic ring, find your third stitch in your chain 3 and do a slip stitch. Pull up a loop, cut off the yarn and then tie it to secure. You're then going to want to get your petal colour and attach it to any one of your stitches. And chain 3, which starts as your first double. You're then, for this one, going to add another 3 doubles into the same stitch. Which will give you 4 in total, because you've got your 3 doubles and starting chain. For the next bit, you want to do a treble into that post directly below the stitch you've just worked into. So a treble front post into the post of the stitch you've just worked into. Don't be like me and fluff it up, clearly. Start again. So a treble into the post directly below the stitch you've just worked into. So then you're going to want to work 4 double crochet into the next stitch, all into the same stitch, 4 doubles. And then again, a treble into the post directly, so a post treble into the stitch. The post directly below the stitch you just worked, flipping heck, I'll put my teeth in. Keep doing that all the way around, so 4 double crochet and then a front post treble all the way around. So you should then end up with 12 front post trebles in total. Then you just want to get to the top of your chain 3 worked and slip stitch to close it off. Then you're gonna tie that one off. You've got your little flower. You're then going to work on the border to make it into a square. So grab your, again, contrast colour, whatever colour you want. I use green. And work your first set into the top of any one of the front posts from the row before. So I've attached to this front post, pulled my yarn through, and the first thing you're going to want to do is chain 7. So what that works out is your first double crochet and chain 3. and then you're going to want to work a double crochet straight into the same stitch you've just worked into. So that's your first corner, chain 1, and then in the top of the next post you're going to do a half double crochet, and then chain 1, and the top of the next post another half double crochet, and then a chain 1, and then we're going to work another corner, so a double crochet in the top of the next post, chain 3 because we're making a corner, and then another double crochet into the same stitch. So that's how your corners are worked. So what you're going to do is the same all the way around. So you've just done a corner, so you're going to do 2 more half double crochet in the tops of the next 2 posts, and then you're going to work another corner. So it should go corner, 2 half double crochet, corner, and so on and so forth till you get to the end. So yeah, so every time you do your corner, it's 3 chain in the middle, and between your half double crochets do a chain 1. And then when you get to the end, find the 3rd stitch in your starting chain. So 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into there to close off that round. So if we pull the corners now, which probably is going to take me a minute. Yep. Then you see how this now is a square. So the next thing you want to do is slip stitch into your first corner. Chain 3, which starts again, don't forget, is your first double crochet. To work a further 2 double crochet into that same corner space, and then you're going to want to chain 3 and work a further 3 double crochet into the same space. In the next gap, you're going to want to work 3 double crochet straight into that space. And again, the next one, 3 double crochet. And again in the next one, 3 double crochet, all in that same space. And then you're back to another corner, so you're going to do your 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet into that corner space, and just keep working that all the way around. So the corners is 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet, all in one space, and then in the middle sections that you're working, just 3 double crochet straight into each one. And then when you get to your last set of 3 double crochet into the last space, you're then going to want to join with a slip stitch to the top of your chain 3 starting position. So the third chain in your chain 3, flipping it. See how that now has become more square? Now it's up to you. You can either leave it here, leave it as it is, and fasten off, or what I would recommend is doing a row of half double crochet around. So you want to chain 1, do your first half double crochet into the first stitch, and just keep working a half double crochet in every stitch till you get to the corners. So in that one, you're doing a half double crochet, chain 1 half double crochet all into that corner, and then just keep working your half doubles all the way through each stitch from the row before, a half double crochet. So corners, when you get to the corner, just a half double crochet, chain 1 half double crochet in each corner. Again, slip stitching into your first stitch from that row and tying it off. It looks a bit wonky, don't panic, it will do until you block it. So just block the corners, stretch it out a bit, and it will stay square after you've blocked it. But that is the square. There's lots of different things you can do with this. You can either make lots of them and turn them into a bag. You can make lots of them for a blanket, a dress, a cardigan, literally anything, just as you can with any other granny square. But just sat here messing about earlier, and this is what I came up with. I'm showing you all the ends that you need to weave in because I couldn't be bothered for this video. But yeah, thank you very much, and be kind. It's my first tutorial.